Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 2.2 question number 13. A rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product, you get minus 7 by 12. What is the number? Let the number be x. Let the number be x. According to the question, according to the question, according to the question, according to the question, x, that is 5 by 2x, 5 by 2, x plus 2 by 3 is equal to minus 7 by 12. Or you can get 5 by 2x, 5 by 2x is equal to minus 7 by 12 minus 2 by 3. On transposing 2 by 3 to right hand side, or you can get 5 by 2x is equal to LCM is 12, is minus 7 minus divide 12 by 3, 4, and 4 to 8, or you are getting minus 15 by 12. Dividing both sides, dividing both sides by 5 by 2, we get 5 by 2 x divided by 5 by 2 is x is equal to minus 15 by 12 divided by 5 by 2, or it can be written as minus 15 by 12 into 2 by 5. 2, 6 is 12, 5 is 5, 5 3 is 15, 3 is 3, 3 2 is 6, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, the number is minus 1 by 2, and that is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.